Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to share a very important news regarding drones in India. So guys, DGCA has now finally made it mandatory to declare your drones, and this process needs to be done before 31st of January 2020. That means now it's illegal to own a drone if you do not complete this process. So in this video, I'm going to share all the details related to this voluntary drone registration process. If you guys remember, few years back DGCA provided us with a website called digitalsky.dgca.gov.in to facilitate drone registration in India. But guys, this site never really worked because the most used drone brand is DJI. But the Digital Sky website does not even have DJI drones in their list of RPAs, which made it really impossible for anyone to register their drone and fly legally. But on 13th of January, DGCA has finally started a process where now drone owners need to declare their existing drones in the following website before 31st of January. And now it's illegal to own a drone if you do not complete this process. But guys, be aware that this registration process does not mean that you can fly your drones in India. This is just for declaration of your drone. After this registration process, you will receive a OAN, which is Owner Acknowledgement Number, and also DAN or Drone Acknowledgement Number for every drone you register. And I think this will be useful in future, so it's very important to keep them noted down. Now guys, it's not 100% clear that why government just want you to declare your drone without enabling us to fly the drone legally. But I feel government wants to collect data about which kind of drones people are using so that they can update their RPAs list in the Digital Sky website, which might be useful in future to acquire actual flying permissions. Okay guys, enough talking. Now let's see how you can actually declare your drone. At first, you need to head over to digitalsky.dgca.gov.in and click on the Go to Drone Enlistment site. Here you can read all the details about this process by yourself. You can also see the public notice by the government. Now to register your drone, click on the Sign In button on the top right. And if you don't have an ID, then click on I do not have an OAN, enroll now. After you fill in the details, log into your account. Here first you have to create your personal profile, and for this you have to upload 3 documents. Scanned copy of the first and last page of passport, proof of current address. This can be copy of like any utility bill like electricity, water, gas, fixed line telephone or mobile phone. Or even a bank statement not older than 3 months will also work. And finally, you also need to upload your certificate for the highest educational qualification. Once you upload these 3 documents and fill all other personal details, you will receive an email with your OAN or Owner Acknowledgement Number. Now the second step is about registering each of your drones. For this, you have to click on the Enlist New Drone and fill in all the details about your drone. There are 4 steps. In the first step, you have to enter the name of the manufacturer, which might be DJI, then the model name, which can be Mavic Mini or Mavic Air, then the year of manufacture, and also the serial number of the drone. So guys, for DJI drones, the serial number can be found behind the battery, somewhere around here. Once done, you can go to the second step where you have to enter your drone serial number again in the first field. Then in the second field, you have to enter your drone controller serial number. Then the maximum takeoff weight, which can really be found from the DJI website. And also based on the entered weight, it will auto update the type of drone. In my case, it's micro. Then for onboard controller type, choose manual. And for wing type, enter fixed wings. And also choose the month and the year of purchase. Once you continue, in the third step, you will have to upload 3 photos of the drone. One front view, then one top view, and also the close-up of the serial number of the drone. Once you upload and press the proceed button, you will go to the 4th and final step. Here guys, you will need to verify all the entered details, like verify and confirm all the details really carefully. And once you are finally sure, press the Get DAN button to get your drone acknowledgement number in your email. Remember guys that you have to do this for every drone that you own. So you will have just one OAN, but you can have multiple DANs. And that's it guys, you are done for now. Now let's wait for the government to announce the next steps on how to get permission to fly our drones. Once I receive any news, I will share the same with you guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will meet you guys in my next video.